Daniel Parsons, and really excited. It's the 21st of May, 2025, and summer is on the way in North America. I want to quickly go on screen share and show you a transformational opportunity available in Canada, United States, and Mexico. So, Vital Health is the company. And so we're accepting that I'm in the United States because it can figure out where you are. I'll accept their cookies. So this company is the offshoot of a very successful naturopathic doctor that has helped many, many thousands of people. And so we've got the success stories menu has that, the education about us and the products. Now, you can only be an affiliate or a preferred customer. And I realize that many people have much going on in their life, and the majority of people that I talk to will prefer to be preferred customer. To be able to do that, they charge a nominal $29.95, I think, fee. And that gives you an office like I have right here. So you see here, you're invited by Daniel Parsons over here in the upper right-hand corner. There's my USA-based phone number. And so from Mexico, Canada, United States, no problem. Many of the phone plans, you can call me. If you needed to, you could get me on Telegram. That is my handle, Daniel Parsons. And then there's my phone number on Telegram. And then it's a free call. But back and forth, US and Canada, I'm sure it's free. Mexico, if you want to call me from Mexico. And yo hablo un poquito español. Mi esposa es chilena. I want to quickly go on products. And so I want to show you an incredible product line. So the motto of this company is that they have these 4 principles: detox your body, then restore it, then nourish it, and then awaken it. And so many people have toxins built up in their system. So the very first thing, the smart way to take care of your health, products, the laboratory that they own their own building where they make their products. So everything is there, has no debt, this company. So there's your product of the month. And so this V Organics is definitely a detox, as well as this right here. Now, these prices you see right here are for customers, okay? And so I get a little bit of a discount because I came in on a $200 package and I'm an affiliate. So I paid the $30 to be the affiliate. And then I paid $200 for a package. And now I can earn commissions by sharing this with you. So the very first product that I'm getting is the V-Iterin. And then I'm also getting a whole package that is the bronze package. So there is an extensive glutathione. I've known about this product for, about 10, 11, 12 years now. So it's very, very solid lineup of products. And so they've got some collagen here that would just compete against anything that's out there. So got an energy way to have an energy drink there, a nitro. And then for coffee lovers, they've got some very, very healthy coffee. And so here are the packages. And so they got that Detox Essentials, Skin Glow Pack, Fitness Pack, Energy Pack, Gut Health Pack, Inflammatory Response Pack, Immunity Boost Pack, Stress and Sleep Support Pack. Boy, our whole world needs that one. Hormone Support Pack, Joint Bone Health Pack, Cardiovascular Wellness Pack, Beauty Pack. So Detox Plus, Detox Basics, Essential, Vitality Pack, Weight Management Pack. So they have a suite in Cheyenne, Wyoming, Laramie, Wyoming, and so USA-based phone number. And so I highly recommend this company. And so when you go to my page, you'll see that sign. If you do want to join this business, I'm more than happy to work with you. We have already started the Telegram support room for this business. It would be t.me/Vital Health One. So I look forward to working with you. This is going to be an exciting opportunity to not only help people cleanse their body, but like I said, detox and then restore, then nourish, and then awaken. So we look forward to that. And we also look forward to helping people with their financial well-being as well, because you earn commissions and you can retail product, buy wholesale and retail. So this is my 20th year in the industry. I am going to be flying down to the Mexican operation in Hermosillo, Mexico, by the company. And so they want to show me their facilities, and I look forward to reporting more back to you as soon as possible. This is Daniel signing off for now. Bye for now.